It's not my fault that the car won't start. It's not my fault, though. Both of you guys can put your sad little paws down. It won't start. We have to wait for help. Oh, Sophia, I'm sorry. Sorry, Isabel. Don't be so sad, Sophia. Sophia. Look at me. Sophia, don't be so sad. Don't be so sad. It won't start. We have to wait for help. Okay, bud? We have to wait for help, okay? Somebody come and boost us. Yeah, they'll come. They're coming. They're coming. Okay? Everybody settle down. Oh, poor Isabella. Oh, so sad, Sophie. So sad, Sophie. Give me the sad face, Soph. Oh, so sad. Oh, so sad. Oh, so sad. Okay, guys, it's not the end of the world.